Hey everybody, I'm Amy Stewart. I'm a writer and an artist, and for about 10 years I also raised chickens, and they were completely part of the family. So it made sense that after a while I'd start to paint like family portraits of my chickens. And I found that I really liked painting chickens against like a very simple backdrop, the kind we used to have when we got our school pictures taken. So that's my style. I do like a head and shoulders portrait. Do chickens actually have shoulders? I guess they do. So I do a head and shoulders portrait where the chickens are posed almost more like people. And I feel like you get a real sense of their personality when you do that. But for this class, we'll also do more of a full body portrait as well. So you can portray your favorite chicken in all her glory. We'll start out by doing a light pencil sketch, and then we'll add ink and then watercolor. But I'm also going to show you how to do this style in gouache. And you could really take this whole class in either watercolor or gouache, or do a mix of both. I'm going to also talk about how to take really great chicken photos of your own to work with. But I'll give you some of mine as well, so you'll have those to practice. And by the way, this class would work well for any kind of bird. If you have a duck or a goose or a parrot that you've always wanted to paint, now's your chance. I would actually love to see any kind of bird portrait you want to create with the ideas in this class. All right, let's get going.